Khop khun ka. Hi, this is Lee from Feast Thailand. Look at these. They are called Khanom Kai Tao. So these are made out of purple and orange sweet potato. And I'm going to dispel the myth that everything in Thailand is sweet, because I know for a fact these are delicious and not sweet. Oh. They are good. They're chewy, a little hint of sweetness, but more savory than not. They are delicious. Let me try the purple one. So I've just had lunch at this food court here on the corner of 55 and Nebkahat. So my mouth is a little bit on fire. So what is the best remedy? Is have something like this, because what it does, it just takes down the heat, gets your palate back to normal, and then you can continue on eating and doing whatever you want to do. Can I fit another one in? I think I can.